All right, so welcome back and thanks for tuning in to another video. So a lot of you guys still been asking me questions about how to fight off weeds in your yard. If you have a yard full of weeds, what is the quickest way to fight off weeds in your yard? Well, I'm going to show you guys how to fight off weeds in your yard the quickest way possible. So stay tuned. So if you're going to go ahead and you want to find the quickest way to fight off weeds in your yard, you're going to go ahead and get you a hose-in sprayer. This is going to be found at most big box stores. Pretty much all of them carry some sort of hose-in sprayer. Me, I like Spectracide. This is the new version. As you guys can see, it's the orange top. This is the one I always preach and talk about all the time. I like the orange top Spectracide. I like Spectracide in general. Most of their products are pretty good. This one works very well for me and it's under $10, so it's cost efficient. But you got plenty on the market. Just go in there. I think they got Ortho, they got Bio Advanced, they got Image, they got some new ones that hit the market. But you want to make sure you find the Weed Stop for lawns if you're going to go ahead and use this Spectracide bottle. Weed Stop for lawns. This one will kill the weeds, not the lawn, if you use it the proper way. Most of them says they say that. I know Roundup say that. Roundup for lawns, that's like the green top. That one will fight off weeds without harming the lawn. But you got to use it the right way, because sometimes you use it the wrong way, you can kill off your lawn. So my lawn is a cool season grass. It's full turf type tall fescue, so my lawn can handle it. Make sure you read the directions. I know on the Spectracide here, you could use it on bluegrass, fescue, zoysia grass, Bermuda grass, and ryegrass if you use it the correct way. Now, if I didn't say your grass type, you got to read the directions. You got to find one that works with your grass type. But the ones I read off, this orange top will actually work on it. So this is going to be the quickest way to use to fight off the weeds in your yard. This one fights off 470 plus weeds. That's why I like Spectracide, because it's going to give you a wide variety. Pretty much any weed that you see in the yard, this one can kind of tackle it. Unless you got like Dallas grass, that's a whole different caliber of weed, and you're gonna need something way stronger. But crabgrass, nutsedge, chickweed, clover, that's a real popular lawn weed, clover. I got some clover in the yard myself, so I'm gonna use this Spectracide and show you guys how to kill it. So what else? Nutsedge, crabgrass, chickweed. Oh, foxtail. Foxtail, it does handle early stages of foxtail. Now, when you're using this product, it does not, Spectracide do not want you to use more than this 5,000 square foot bottle more than twice in a season. So basically, if you're gonna use this whole bottle in the yard, you only got 2 times to use it. Now, if you're gonna spot spray, that's something totally different. You can use that as many times as you like. You can use the spot sprayer, fight the weeds off, and keep it moving. But if you're gonna use a whole 5,000 square foot bottle, because that's what this covers, then you only got 2 applications they want you to use for the full year. Now you can start using this. This is a post-emergent. So if any post-emergent weed, you can fight it off that way. Now, you gotta have a plan, because you can fight the weeds off, and then they will try to grow back if you leave that spot bare. So you got to use this in the active growing season. So sometimes late March, depending on where you at, all the way, early August, if you still have some weeds. But you got to have a plan. Like I said, you can't leave that spot bare, because weeds will regenerate and come right back. So you go ahead, you're going to make this product a little more efficient. You do not have to. These are ready to spray products, RTS. So you can go right in the store, pick it up, bring it home. Make sure only thing required is to have a long enough water hose, and you're all set. But how I use my products to make it a little more efficient so it can help kill off a lot better, I go ahead and use some Dawn dishwashing soap. It's a surfactant, so this is going to help the product stick a lot better. So it's going to get a better kill ability on those weeds. But like I said, you're going to start at the far end of your yard and you're going to work your way back in. So that's the quickest way that you're going to fight off weeds. You can use that same method with any of your favorite weed killer in the hose-in form or anything. But like I said, always use eyewear, gloves, and long sleeves, and a mask. You do not want to inhale this stuff. You do not want this stuff getting on your skin or anything like that. treat all these chemicals as like they're toxic. So this is going to be the fastest way to kill off weeds in your yard. You're going to go ahead, you're going to use the safety switch. It's the yellow lever here. You can pull it right out. Once you go ahead, pull it out, it's ready to use. Save that yellow safety switch, because after you use it, you can plug it right back in and store it away, and you can use it another day if you do not use the full bottle. Now, why this product won't work? Because you probably don't use the product right. What if you got like a 10,000 square foot yard? This is only 5,000 square feet. You're gonna have to use 2 bottles. You can't stretch it. It's not gonna work like that. And all right, so what if you have a 25-foot yard, 2,500 square foot yard like me? This 5,000 square foot bottle, I'm gonna only use half if I have a lot of weeds and I'm trying to kill a lot of weeds in the yard. If I don't have a lot of weeds in the yard and I have them in certain areas and I can just spray it and move and spray it and move, then that's the best way to use it. But don't over apply the product. That's what I'm trying to say here. But once you go ahead, make sure you read your directions at all times. You can peel back the bottle, like the back has the general directions, but if you want to get really into it and see all the weeds it kills and fight off, you're going to peel back the layer just like that, and then they have a list of all the weeds here. Now my bottle got a little wet here, but you're going to peel back the second flap, and boom, you got a list of all 470 plus weeds almost, and it's a lot of weeds in here. That's why I like the Spectracide bottle. You got the certain degrees that you're supposed to use it in, 40 degrees up to 90 degrees. That's what it says inside here. On the actual bottle, it says 45 degrees to 90. So either 40, 45, that's what the label is saying, so it shouldn't hurt. But if you want to use this product, I suggest not coming out in the full sun. Wait till the like afternoon, evening when the sun goes down, just for your health. You don't want to be out here when it's too hot for yourself and you have a chance of passing out. So give yourself a break. How you see it here, it's late evening here. I come out, I'm gonna spray the yard, make sure I start at the far end, work my way back so I don't step in the product, and that's all you really need. And that's very, very simple. It's very, very basic. This to me is one of the best on the market, but you guys can use whatever one you like, but this is gonna be the quickest way to fight off weeds in your yard. You're gonna get visual results in 5 hours. Now, visual results meaning the plant or the weed that you sprayed, it's gonna actually start to shrivel up. It's gonna lose some color within like 5 hours. Now, you gotta give yourself some time. You want the product to dry on to the lawn. So don't spray or don't start watering or irrigating your lawn within the next like 30 minutes after spraying. Let it get a chance to dry onto the lawn, and then the product is gonna start to work. Now, it's gonna work systematic. So it's gonna start on the outside. You're gonna see visual results, but then it's absorbing into the root. So it's gonna give a total kill off. So that's what you want. Make sure you do not mow your lawn 2 days before. You do not want to open your lawn up, because now your lawn has to repair itself. That's how you can damage your lawn. Do not mow 2 days before. Now, when you spray, do not mow 2 days after. Let the product sit on that lawn and that weed and let it soak in. And then once you do start to mow on that, maybe that 3rd or 4th day, bag the clippings. Don't reinfest the yard. So basically, like I said, this is the fastest way to fight off weeds in your lawn. Just go ahead, make sure you're following the proper steps, and it should work for you guys. Now, you guys that got St. Augustine lawn and Centipede, you're gonna have to find the purple top. Now, I'm not sure if they make the purple top in a hose-in sprayer. You might have to do a little research. Also, a lot of you guys say you can't find this orange top Spectracide in New York. I'm not sure. I never heard of that. I don't know if New York probably banned the Spectracide orange top there, but a lot of people have been saying they can't find the orange top in New York. So let me know in the comment section if you're from New York and you're having a hard time finding the orange top or ordering it. I'm not sure. I'm in Connecticut, so we can go in the stores and pretty much buy any product we need or order it offline. So New York, I'm curious. Let me know if you guys are from New York and having trouble with that. If you guys enjoyed today's video, if it helped you out in any way possible, please hit it with a like, Subscribe to the channel if you guys want to keep up with my progress or keep up with videos that I'm dropping. You'll hit that notification bell so it'll notify you every time I drop a new video. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know in the comment section if you use this product or anything like it to fight off weeds in your yard. I know you guys keep asking how to fight off these weeds. I know these weeds are crazy. They are very vicious, and it takes no time for them to jump in the lawn. But like I said, please subscribe to the channel, fight off them weeds, get out in the yard. So take care and stay tuned.